Good morning students. This video for class 8th subject computer and chapter name is networking concept. And I will discuss networking components. To establish wide networking in a group of computers, we require the additional components that are as follows. In previous video, I explained networking. In this video, what is component need for networking? First, network card. A network card is used to physically attach a computer to a network so that it can be participate in network communication. Ethernet network card is the most commonly used network card nowadays. This is important line. Nowadays, most computer motherboards come with the inbuilt network card. Some years before, network card is a physical device attached in a network. This connect computer to a network. Networking cable. Modern Ethernet networks use twisted pair cable containing 8 wires. These wires are arranged in a special order and an RJ45 connector, similar in design but bigger than the connector used with the telephone wire, is crimped at both the ends of the cable. Students, network cable is a twisted pair cable connect computer to a network. आपने ये केबल लैंडलाइन फ़ोन के तार में देखी होगी, ये कनेक्टर, इसको हम लोग RJ45 भी कहते हैं. दिस इज ए सिंपल वायर and RJ45 is a popular connector for computer networking. Network architecture. Network architecture is an overall design of a computer network that describes how a computer network is configured and what strategies are being used. Computer networks are of two main types, which are as follows. First is client-server network. Second is peer-to-peer network. So, two types of network architecture. First is client-server network and second peer-to-peer network. It is based on how a computer network is configured and what strategies are being used. Client-server network. What is client-server network? It is a network where several computers are called net clients or workstation. Clients or workstation same, both are same, are connected to the main computer called the server. Client or workstation connect to the main computer or main computer is called server. A server is a computer that provides services to clients and controls access to hardware, software and other resources. Server is main computer of a network and It provides service to client and control all the hardware, software and other resources. Clients are the computers which request service like data retrieval, storage, etc. from the server. For example, अगर हम बैंक में जाते हैं और हम रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, वी आर क्लाइंट, एंड जो हमारी रिक्वेस्ट को रिसीव करता है दैट इज ए सर्वर. Recap this chapter. Peer-to-peer network. There is no central server. Instead, each computer can act as a server as well as a client. Means this network has no server and all client behave as a server. Means peer-to-peer network में कोई भी central server नहीं होता है. सारे क्लाइंट्स एज ए सर्वर की तरह बिहेव करते हैं या ट्रीट करते हैं. सर्वर, ए सर्वर इज ए कंप्यूटर दैट प्रोवाइड्स सर्विसेज टू क्लाइंट्स. सर्वर इज द मेन कंप्यूटर ऑफ नेटवर्क एंड प्रोवाइड्स सर्विस टू क्लाइंट. एंड टू फुल फॉर्म हेयर, वाईफाई एंड WAP.